Ever wondered why some businesses thrive in 2024 while others struggle? It all begins with a solid business plan. A business plan isn't just a document, it's a roadmap to success. A tool that helps entrepreneurs navigate the complex world of business and stay ahead of the curve. In the new age of business, it's crucial to embrace evolving business models. From digital transformation to sustainability and social responsibility, the business landscape is shifting. Consider incorporating elements like a circular economy model, blockchain technology, or AI-driven decision-making into your plan. Next, focus on market analysis, but don't just rely on intuition. In 2024, big data and artificial intelligence are your allies. These technologies can offer a precise understanding of your target demographics, preferences, and behaviors, ensuring your offerings align with market demands. Financial planning is another critical aspect. With the economic landscape constantly changing, a robust financial strategy is essential. Look at diversified revenue streams and strong risk management approaches, taking into account the impact of trends like cryptocurrencies and global trade changes. And let's not forget about marketing strategies. Digital platforms are the new battleground for customer retention. Integrate SEO, content marketing, and social media strategies into your plan. Use data analytics to optimize campaigns, and consider modern approaches like influencer partnerships and experiential marketing. Operational plans must prioritize efficiency and sustainability. Explore the potential of remote work, AI-enhanced logistics, and sustainable supply chains. These strategies can help reduce costs and appeal to the growing number of eco-conscious consumers. Risk assessment and mitigation are vital in today's volatile environment. Your business plan should include strategies to manage potential risks such as cybersecurity threats, regulatory changes, and market volatility. When it comes to funding, think beyond traditional bank loans. Consider crowdfunding, venture capital, angel investors, and even cryptocurrency-based options. Each avenue has its unique benefits and challenges, so choose wisely. To help you get started, this guide provides downloadable 2024 specific templates and real-life examples of successful business plans across various industries. In conclusion, a well-crafted business plan is more than just a document. It's your roadmap to success in 2024. By integrating modern strategies and keeping up with trends, your plan will not only be robust but also adaptable, setting your business up for long-term success.